Hi guys, I want to talk to you about the argumentative outline. So next week we will actually be reading a student sample and grading it together, so you'll get more information. But in this outline, what you want to do in your introduction, so think about this as roughly a paragraph, you want to include a quote, a statistic, a little story to get the reader interested, and then you want to explain your issue. So let's say you're doing abortion. If you're doing abortion, you might talk about what it is, maybe how it was illegal. A Roe versus Wade might be an important event that happened, and then where it is today. Your thesis statement is going to be for or against abortion, and then you're going to come up with 3 different reasons. In your refutation, this is going to be one complete paragraph within your paper, but you're going to say something what the opposing view would say. So you would say, some might argue that if you are against abortion, you'd say some might argue that it could affect a mother's health, right? And you'll give me a quote from somewhere that says that. And you can say, yes, I understand this point, but, and then you'll say, this is why I'm right. So please take the opportunity to work through this outline and feel free to give me a ring with any feedback that you need. Thanks.